Open your Facebook app. On the home screen, click on three lines at the top, right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, tap on the See More in Accounts Center option under the Meta Accounts Center tab. Now look for the Meta Pay option under the Account Settings section and tap on it. In the Facebook Pay or the Meta Pay section, you will see a Payment Methods box, and under it, you will see the option for adding a debit or a credit card. Since the Cash App Cash Card is a debit card, click on the Add Credit or Debit Card option. Next, enter your Cash App Cash Card details, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, 3-digit security code, and billing address associated with the card. Once everything is filled out, click on Save in the bottom of the screen. In just a few seconds, the page will refresh, and you'll see your Cash App Cash Card listed as a payment method under Facebook Pay.